इनका झुझला मत जाना, मेरे कथनों को झुठला मत देना। कद देख कर इनका झुझला मत जाना, मेरे कथनों को झुठला मत देना। ये बड़े कलावर कीमती लोग हैं यारों, कीमत सुनकर बौखला मत जाना। आइए, वेलकम मिस्टर शशिकांत चौधरी फॉर इंग्लिश स्पीच। वेलकम।
Hariom. Lives of great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime, and departing leaves behind us footprints on the sands of time. Honorable Chairperson, respected our guardians, Professor Saheb and Mr. Ji, Principal Sir, and my dear colleagues. First of all, my heartfelt wishes for the 74th Independence Day to you all. I am thankful for drawing your attention. Dear friends, we are really very lucky that we are born in an independent country. None of us has realized, none of us has experienced the pain of being slave. The pain of slavery is really very painful. A slave dies every day. He dies in degree. But it is our good luck that we are born in an independent nation. But we know this independence didn't come to us easily. It is not a gift of God. It is the result of combined effort of many of great leaders who sacrificed their everything. Who can forget the sacrifices of Subhash Chandra Bose, Khudiram Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, and many more are there in this list. We became independent on 1947, 15th August 1947. That very day, only these words were taking place in our mind. Everyone was speaking, नहीं चाहते हम धन वैभव, नहीं चाहते हम अधिकार, बस स्वतंत्र रहने दो हमको और स्वतंत्र के लिए संसार. This was what everyone was thinking, everyone was singing. Then this freedom came to us, and we are breathing today under an independent sky. But after a long interval of 74 years, it is 74th independence, 74 years we can say, we couldn't achieve what we wished to. Today, there are different types of problems our country is facing. Some are internal and some are external. Luckily, the leadership of the country is in a strong hand, in an honest hand, who will certainly be able to triumph over to defeat the external forces. But what will be to the internal forces? Our own leaders, whom we make the future of whom we send for the making of the nation, are not thinking our betterment. They are ready to spoil our career, everything. Today, there are different types of problems. This is not the India that Gandhiji has dreamed. In his dream, he had said, Mahatma Gandhi had said, I shall work for an India in which the poorest shall think it is a nation, and in its making they have an effective voice. An India where there will be no discrimination on the basis of caste, creed and religion. An India where there will be no high classes and low classes of people, and where everyone will live in perfect harmony. But what is happening today? These dreams didn't come out to be true till now. For this, we all will have to do our duty honestly. We should not forget the lines of Rabindranath Tagore I would like to quote his lines. Where the mind is without free, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by the narrow-minded fall, where words come from the depth of truth, into that land of freedom, my father, led our country away. This is the dream. This was the dream of our forefathers, of our great leaders who sacrificed their everything. Now the duty has come on our shoulder. What we got from our forefathers, we have to hand over our India to the coming generation in a better form, a better India. This is our duty. Sometimes a question comes in our mind, what can we do? We are simple teachers, but we should remember the lines of APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam Sahib said, if a nation is to be great, if a nation is to be corruption free, and a nation of beautiful mind, I strongly think three persons are enough to bring a change. They are the father, mother, and teacher. That is why we have our role. If from the very beginning we do our role honestly, certainly India will be great one. So come, let us take an oath that we shall live for our country and die for our country. Our object will be nothing but our nation. And we will always like to see the flag of India flying high above in the sky. I would like to finish my words with a quotation. We will have to change our mentality, our ideology. Someone has said, फूल बनकर खिलो तो सही, कांटा फूल में बदल जाएगा, दीप बनकर जलो तो सही, तब रोशनी में बदल जाएगा। सुख और दुख आते हैं हर आदमी के जीवन में, दृष्टि बदलो तो सही, हर गम मुस्कान में बदल जाएगा। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।